The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for far northeastern Weld County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Logan County in northeastern Colorado until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stoneham, or 22 miles west of Sterling, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pawnee Pass. Ping pong ball size. Sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
That's right. You back to the bits of skin in there, I feel like.
Okay, that just said far northeastern Weld County, or whatever it said. It includes ping pong ball size hail again, so let's check the text data. Oh, yep, it said far northeastern Weld County. I think it's this might be the first time it said far, the word far. Or there may be some other point in time where they use that, but even so, it's very rare to see this. Crazy. And it still doesn't have the for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Instead, it's going to say this whenever it says ping pong ball size hail. Crazy.